clients are coming to expect that you will be responding to their inquiries quickly, efficiently, and with good information and not just garbage in, garbage out. So the industry is changing dramatically.
When the pandemic hit, we literally had to jump into the 2000s immediately because of, you had to be able to work remotely. And in addition to that, when that occurred, we also ran into the ability to outsource and the ability to use virtual assistants. And it really brought the legal industry into the 2000s where technology was a must.
During COVID, we really needed something, a program that would provide us the accessibility to work remotely. We were constantly using services and things that we would have to download and transfer from computer to computer, and it would have to be on that computer, and then we would remote into our PC in the office. It was a lot of work because you would always have to make sure you had a connection, and then it would go through and all these things to remember. So after getting Neos and just simply being able to log in an internet browser and having all of your case information and everything right there has been a huge help.
For instance, I was forced to work outside the office, and my staff was functioning in my absence in my office, and we had some pressing deadlines. And since we were using Neos in that example, we were not only able to gather all the documents, but to effectuate a clear settlement, keeping the client informed during the whole time. Because they had Neos, I had Neos, I was accessing it in a different location, they were accessing it and contacting the client. The client was constantly informed. We were able to get the client's consent to act on a settlement offer that otherwise would have left quickly.
We don't use Neos to its full potential, I'd say, because there's so much that is there. And what's good about it having so much variety is that it actually provides the adaptability for each law firm and each practitioner, because again, I do kind of a nuanced practice here with some estate planning and with some general practice, which allows me to have flexibility to utilize different aspects of Neos for my specific needs versus the needs of the general PI side of the firm.
Neos is a great system. I guess improved our access, our efficiency, response times. We love the checklist system. I'm one of the folks that has helped code that over the years, and it really allows us to get things dialed in so things aren't missed. It also is a great way to see productivity. You can see how many checklist items someone's completing, how many notes they're putting into the system. The reporting aspects of it are also great, and some of the newer stuff allowing you to really customize that intake process, as well as some of the automations. So it used to be I had to click a bunch of things to send a welcome video that I send to every client. Now it's one click, and every time you add up all those clicks, it's saving me a lot of time in my day. So
Neos is so friendly in the screen-based environment. It's almost too simple. You can't believe what you can do just by clicking and pointing to what you want to have changed. There's a little bit of training involved, as there is with any case management program. But once you get the feel for the graphic interface, once you get a feel for the checklists and some of the other integrations, I tell my colleagues it's a great move, it's a smart decision.